Today I'm sharing 2 hair clip hairstyles with the ends clipped up or down for quick and easy everyday styling. Hello, this is April with the Curl Story, a channel dedicated to helping you build your curl confidence with curly hair routines, techniques, and signature hairstyles. And today is all about the hair clip, more specifically the volume barrette, but more details on those later. First, let's get to the styling. For look 1, the clip up hairstyle, we're going to begin by gathering our hair in a low ponytail at the nape of the neck, giving it one twist and then pointing the hair upwards, giving it one more twist, and then just securing that with the barrette. And at this point, your hair might feel a little bit loose. That's okay. We're going to secure it with one easy bobby pin. But the ends of your hair, depending on the length, might need a little finishing detail. So my hair is currently long at the moment. This hairstyle works great for medium length hair to longer hair. And with the longer ends, what I like to do is this hook and tuck technique. So I just hook in a curl with at least an inch or two at the ends and then tuck it into the rest of my hair so that those ends don't move around too much and the whole hairstyle stays in place. And now it makes this cute little croissant bun at the back. But if yours is poking out a little bit too much or it feels a little bit loose, just stick a bobby pin right down the center of it, just straight up and down, and that'll just secure it into place for the entire day. To finish this off, I would just spritz the edges with some hairspray. I like to lower the hair over the tops of my ears just for a little bit more of a polished look. And I'm all set. But I did want to show you how to take it down, and you want to go in completely reverse order. So you start by first removing all the bobby pins and then opening up the barrette and letting your hair down. And it's really somewhat of a protective hairstyle because your hair has no movement inside of that twist up hairstyle. So it really helps you to be able to restyle it for a new hairstyle, which we're going to do now for look number 2. So this is the clip down hairstyle, meaning our ends are going to be pointed down. So I'm going to gather my hair up in a high ponytail for this one, as we're going to start high and then work our way down. Now I don't use a brush or anything to smooth out the edges. Instead, if there's some curls that are bumping out, poking out, I lift up those curls individually and then just smooth them out into the rest of my hair. I do almost like as if I'm going to do a donut bun on the top, but I just leave those ends dangling down and then clip them with a barrette. So this ends up making a cute little donut bun, or half of the donut bun on the top, with the fringe of the curls at the bottom. And I use the same barrette as in look 1, but I actually think it flattens my hair out too much because of the large rectangle shape over the barrette. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to fluff out the little bun on the top and arrange the ends a little bit, but I'm going to switch out this barrette to show you just by changing the accessories how it completely changes the look. This one has a little bit of a slimmer profile to it, so you can see it gives my hair more space to expand. It gives those curls more room to just fill out the space, and it gives it a completely different look now, a softer look. So here again, I would just hairspray the edges, and here I wanted to show you some up close those volume barrettes. Now this is just a standard volume barrette. You just pinch the sides open to pop it open and push it together closed, but there is an extra volume barrette. That's perfect if you have high density hair, very thick hair. It will hold all of your hair in a twist up. And of course, with so many different colors and patterns available, they're perfect for so many occasions when you need to put your hair up. So I hope this was helpful. Please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more curly content, and I'll leave some more links below for more hairstyle inspiration videos and curly hairstyling as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.